Yes, girls, I want to solve with you now some examples about the atomic number and the atomic mass. These problems are very easy and it's very nice to solve them. And because we missed this contact between you and me in the class, I prefer to solve them in front of you. Then on Sunday, inshallah, we will solve together many of these problems. So prepare yourselves, practice solving them. We will have many examples on Sunday, inshallah. Now, first of all, if I have such example, what is the atomic number and the mass number of an element that has 11 protons and 12 neutrons? Okay, first of all, what is the atomic number? Atomic number is equal to protons number. So what is the number of protons? This is the atomic number. So as easy as that, it is 11. Now, what is the mass number? We can say it is protons plus neutrons. Study it like this. Protons plus neutrons. So it is 11 plus 12, which is 23. If I ask you, which element is this? How we will find it? We will go to the periodic table. We will look for the element that has 11. Atomic number is 11, which is the sodium. As you see here, the atomic number is 11. طيب, you will ask me why the atomic mass down is 22.99, I think. I will tell you, because this is the atomic mass. This is not the mass number. You remember what is the difference between atomic mass and mass number? Mass number is exactly in one atom the protons plus neutrons, but the atomic mass in the element is the average mass number for all of the isotopes. We talk about that in the beginning of this lesson, of periodic table. Okay, this is very important. There is difference between mass number and the atomic mass for an element. The atomic mass of an element is the average of the mass number of all of the isotopes. Yani, for example, this sodium here, as you see, it has 12 neutrons. Maybe another isotope of a sodium has 11. So its mass number, if they said that the neutrons are, if they said that neutrons are 11, so the mass number will be 11 plus 11 will be 22. So for all of the isotopes, they take the average, and this is the atomic mass that you see. Now, there is another type of problems. In these problems, you will be asked, determine the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in the following isotopes, different isotopes of different elements. Determine the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. So I don't have any information about this element except what they will give me. They will give me what? They will give me the atomic number and the mass number. So I have to know what are protons, what is the number of protons, what is the number of neutrons, what is the number of electrons? How? First of all, the atomic number is 9. That's it. That means the protons are 9 protons. That's it. طيب, neutrons. How can I find out what are the neutrons? From what? I have atomic number, يعني the number of protons. I have mass number, which is here 18. طيب, what is the mass number? The mass number is protons plus neutrons. So neutrons will be the mass numbers, always mass number. It's difficult to write while I am picturing myself. Mass number minus atomic number. This is a rule. So it will be 18 minus 9, which is 9 neutrons. Now the electrons. In the neutral atom, remember with me girls, we said always in the neutral atom, the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons. يعني number of electrons is equal to atomic number, which is 9 electrons. That's it. So we found that this atom has 9 protons, 9 neutrons, and 9 electrons. Which atom is this? We will look for it in the periodic table. Where is the atomic number 9? Here, fluorine, as you see. 9. It has the atomic number 9. So it is fluorine. If I ask you also to determine which one is this atom from the periodic table, you will say that it is fluorine. Okay. Now, the atomic number is 53. Mass number is 131. The same as what we did here. Protons is the atomic number, يعني 53 protons. Neutrons is equal to 131 minus 53, like this. 53, 11 minus 3, 8, 12 minus 5, 7, so 78 neutrons. Electrons equal to protons in the neutral atom طبعا. That's it. But what if they gave me such example? Always they used I wrote it like this because if you look for any example in the internet, you will find the elements are written like this. يعني it doesn't mean they take it or picture it from the periodic table. No, they used to put the atomic number to the left, to the left side down, and the mass number up. this is the atomic. وبعدين it's very clear. This is a smaller atomic. This is bigger mass number. This is mass number. Okay, so now C 6 is the atomic, 13 is the mass. طيب, how many protons? Directly, protons are 6 protons, right? Neutrons, 13 minus 6, which is 7 neutrons. Electrons, 6 electrons. Now, the last one, brome. Directly, protons equal 5 protons. Neutrons equal 10 minus 5 equal 5 neutrons. Electrons equal 5, and that's it. I hope this was enough. Practice solving such problems. I will try to send you some examples also. On Sunday, inshallah, please study the 2 lessons very well from the PowerPoints that I sent. The PowerPoints are more than enough. Watch the videos again. The videos also include all the explanation that you need, and the lesson reviews. Submit the lesson review of this lesson also on the platform. Maybe, not sure, I will send you also a worksheet. Also submit it. Thank you. We will meet on Sunday, inshallah. I will open the chat for about less than 1 hour. It will be like a competition on such problems and on different questions from the 2 lessons. Please study very well. Okay, it will be like evaluation for your studying. So please study very well.